For the last few years, we have all been using AI in the same way. We open a website like ChatGPT, Cloud, or Gemini. We type a question, and a computer in a giant data center miles away answers us. We have become used to these cloud giants. They're powerful, but they're also like the old mainframes of the 1970s. They're big, they're expensive, and they are owned by someone else. But today, things are changing. It is 2026, and the brain of the machine is moving back to us. Just like the personal computer once took technology out of big server rooms and put it on your desk, local AI is putting the power of intelligence back into your own hands. Today, I want to talk about why this is happening and why it matters to you. Why would you want to run AI on your own computer instead of using a big website? There are three very simple reasons: privacy, cost, and control. When you use the cloud, your data is the product. Every word you type and every document you upload is sent to server. Those companies can use your secrets to train their next model. If you are a lawyer with private cases, a doctor with patient records, or an engineer with a secret invention, the cloud is a risk. When you run local AI, your data never leaves your computer. It stays in your hardware. It is the ultimate private mode. No one is watching what you ask, and no one is stealing your ideas. Let's be honest, cloud AI is getting expensive. Most of us pay about $20 a month for these services. That is $240 a year. For a business, those costs get much higher very quickly. Local AI is free. Once you have a decent computer, the only thing you pay for is the electricity to run it. There are no message limits. There is no pro version to buy. You can use it as much as you want, all day and all night for zero extra dollars. Have you ever asked an AI a question and had it refuse to answer? Or maybe it gave you a long lecture about why your question was problematic? Cloud providers use guardrails to censor what the AI says. While they say this is for safety, it often gets in the way of real work or creative writing. When you download your own model, like Llama or Mistral, you are the boss. The AI does exactly what you ask without the attitude and without the censorship. You might think that local AI is weaker than the big websites. That used to be true, but not anymore. In 2026, the model you can run on your own laptop are incredibly smart. There are three ways people are using them right now. Many programmers now use tools like Cursor or Continue. They connect these tools to local AI. This means they can fit an entire folder of secret company code into the AI. They get help writing programs even when they're offline, and they never have to worry about a data leak. Imagine you have a folder with 500 PDF files. These could be old manuals, books, or research papers. Using a trick called RAG, you can tell your local AI to read only those files. You can then ask, what does page 40 say about the engine? The AI will answer you instantly. It's like having a librarian who has memorized every book you own, and those books never leave your house. If you like making images, tools like Diffusion B let you create amazing art on your own machine. You can make as many images as you want for free. And because it's local, there is no one telling you what you can or cannot draw. As our computer gets faster and our chips get smarter, we won't need to send our private thought to a distant server anymore. The cloud will still exist, but it will be for things that don't matter. For the things that do matter, our work, our secrets, and our creative ideas, we will use local AI. By starting today, you aren't just learning a new tool, you're building your own private library and a personal assistant that belongs entirely to you. You're moving from being a user of someone else's technology to being the owner of your own intelligence. The era of the mainframe is ending again. The era of personal AI has begun. Thank you and see you soon.